Recently, we had rallies in Assam. One of the most outspoken things in those rallies was Article 244A and 22nd Constitutional Amendment Act. Opposition were trying to point out those articles in rallies as much as possible. What is its importance in Assam? How it created impact in modern India, and why this article has become a political game. I am Akshay and you are watching National Info Crypto, and today we are going to discuss about Article 244A and 22nd Constitutional Amendment Act. So let's get started. Article 244A is one of the most controversial article present in Constitution. It is there in Constitution, but it's not been implied till now in Assam. Opposition wants to imply it on Assam to safeguard the rights of minorities which are present in Assam. But when Congress was there in government, they never implied this law in their time. But now for election, they have revoked this topic again. So let us see what's actually 244A article is. Article 244A is nothing but giving autonomous state to tribes of Assam. This autonomous state helps them to have separate legislature and separate council of minister for their area. These areas are autonomous, but they will be part of Assam state. These areas will have their own rule, but they are part of Assam state, so don't get confused. According to 6th schedule, there is already autonomous council in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. Then why do they need this 244A article to be implied? This council doesn't have power as 244A has. An autonomous area will give judiciary control to those tribal people. These tribal people can decide what law should be implemented and should not be implemented in their areas. So this is the reason why the tribes of Assam are demanding for Article 244A. Right now, Kabri Along, Doma Hasong and Bodoland tribes are demanding for Article 244A, which means giving autonomous power within state. Now let us see how this demand has started. In 1950, demand for separate hill state has started in undivided Assam. Undivided Assam is nothing but Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura all together being part of Assam. Later in 1960, All India Hill State Conference has took place and they had demanded for separate state than Assam. After continuous protest, Meghalaya emerged as separate state from Assam. Later, Kabri Along tribes got offered to merge with Meghalaya, but these tribes decided to be in Assam. As they decided to be in Assam, PM Indira Gandhi has offered them autonomous condition within state. And now these tribes are demanding for implementation of this law which they have been promised long time back. In 1981, the demand has took a violent form. These tribes who were demanding for separate state within a state has started to ask full statehood, and they had converted themselves as armed insurgents in Assam. The insurgency in Assam you find today, it's because they are demanding for separate autonomous condition. In thumbnail, there is even 22nd Constitutional Amendment Act. 22nd Constitutional Amendment Act is nothing but an act which gives power for Article 244A to get implied in state of Assam. Now let us get back to topic. The Kabri Along insurgents has surrendered themselves in front of Assam CM Sarvanand Sonowal. There were nearly 1,000 insurgents who surrendered themselves. If you need video on this topic, comment below. We will try to make the video as soon as possible. Right now, the insurgency is in control, as this whole insurgents has surrendered, but the movement can rise any time in India or in Assam. If you ask me about this whole issue, I think this law should not be implemented. Giving separate power to a tribal area may lead to more and more demand for autonomous area within states, and that will lead to loss of many areas for government. This thing is very controversial and it should not be taken too directly. Right now, our Home Minister has promised for further development in this issue, but in politics nothing happens without political benefit. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And yes, COVID is increasing a lot. Many people are suffering from COVID-19 and lot of variation of COVID is present in different states. So take care of yourself and your family. Wear mask, stay home, stay safe, respect India, Jai Hind.